Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making those tough purchasing decisions a little easier. Today, we've got a heavyweight showdown in the world of robot vacuums. In the left corner, we have the Shark AI Ultra voice control robot vacuum. And in the right corner, it's the Eureka E10s robot vacuum. Buckle up, because we're diving deep into suction power, navigation, self-emptying features, and more. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk about suction power. The Shark AI Ultra voice control robot vacuum claims to have incredible suction that tackles dirt and debris like a champ. However, the Eureka E10s boasts a whopping 4,000 pascals suction power. Reviewers also highlight that Eureka's suction is particularly effective on both floors and carpets. If this were a vacuuming contest, Eureka would be the bodybuilder flexing its muscles. Shark's no weakling, but Eureka's here to pump. Clap you up! Next, let's navigate through navigation. Both these vacuums are equipped with LiDAR technology, which means they can map your home with the precision of a ninja. Shark's got a matrix clean feature, taking multiple passes over dirt like it's auditioning for a spot in The Matrix sequel. Eureka, on the other hand, avoids obstacles like it's in a game of laser tag. It even detects corners and edges with PSD technology. Reviewers praise Shark for its efficient mapping and cleaning capabilities, especially on hardwood floors. Meanwhile, Eureka's smart navigation system is celebrated for avoiding obstacles and memorizing different floor maps, making it a hit for homes with kids and pets. Now, let's talk about the self-emptying bases. Shark can hold up to 60 days of dirt and debris. 60 days! That's like having a tiny, non-complaining butler who never asks for a raise. Reviewers appreciate this feature, though they note the dustbin can be loud. Eureka can go up to 45 days without needing your attention and saves you up to $70 a year because it's bagless. Reviewers love the eco-friendly design and the convenience of the self-emptying station, though they do notice the dust container fills up quickly. So if you're cheap, frugal, Eureka's got your back. Special features time. Shark's got a self-cleaning brush roll that digs deep into carpets and is perfect for homes with pets. No more wrestling with hair clogs. Reviewers highlight its efficiency in picking up pet fur and debris. Eureka, though, is a multitasker. It's a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop combo. It even lifts the mop when it detects carpet. Reviewers appreciate this multitasking feature, though some mention that the water container for mopping can run dry quickly. So it's basically the vacuum equivalent of someone who can juggle while riding a unicycle. Lastly, let's talk about how long these bad boys can go. Shark has an extended runtime with recharge and resume, meaning it won't leave a job half done. Reviewers also note its reliability in completing cleaning tasks. But Eureka? This thing can run for up to 180 minutes. That's 3 hours, folks. Reviewers love its long runtime, making it ideal for larger homes. If it were a marathon runner, it'd be the one crossing the finish line, looking back and saying, "Is that all you've got?" Overall, reviewers find the Shark AI Ultra voice control robot vacuum to be highly effective, especially on hardwood floors, and appreciate its mapping and cleaning capabilities, though the app has some limitations. On the other hand, the Eureka E10s robot vacuum impresses with its powerful suction, smart navigation, and multitasking abilities, making it a great choice for homes with pets and children. So there you have it, smart shoppers. Both the Shark AI Ultra and Eureka E10s bring their A-game. Shark's got the precision and pet-friendly features, while Eureka's packing serious suction and a dual-purpose design. Honestly, you can't go wrong with either. But if you want to save a few bucks and get some extra muscle, Eureka might just be your new best friend. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy shopping and may your floors be forever clean. Product links are in the description. Leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why.